Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen 3.7 Max on Windows operating system. To get the software, in Google search box, write the Qwen, then go on this Qwen AI site. So you can get, let's click on this Qwen Studio. Then after download the app. So this you can get for mobile. And if I scroll down, you can get for desktop, Mac and Windows. So let's click on this Windows. So here you can see the software is currently downloading, total size 119 MB. It's simply you need to click on this exe file. So you can use any 1 second, that's fine. Let's click on this install. So this here Qwen. So Qwen is now here installing on this Windows machine. So you can see installing. Please wait while Qwen is being installed. So after that, you can easily use their Qwen 3.7 Max. So this done here. Here you can see the icon that's created. Simply you need to click on this icon. So when you click on this icon, this here. So this you can get this here. Here after ready, you can also. So there I'm going to use the Qwen 3.7 Max. So this selected. Thereafter, let's test with the high. So this is now currently thinking, and this will return the output as soon as possible. So this returning there, you can do the login, sign up. So here, how to learn. So you can ask any query related with the coding. So how to learn coding. So begin journey, and this being journey, pub, and being form. Crafting a killer, encouraging guide, aspiring for developer. So being journal, this is doing some process. And after that, this will return the output. So this here, Qwen 3.7 Max, you can use inside your Windows. And this is the beautiful apps to get any query output as fast as possible. So like this, you can ask any question. So I hope guys, this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.